and thank you for taking the time to watch our video on backing up a database using the SQL Server Management Studio utility. You can use the SQL Server Management Studio to back up CA3000 or CA4K databases. Prior to performing the backup, you will be required to install the SQL Server Management Studio from the DVD. Performing this type of backup is usually the preferred method by SQL administrators. It is always recommended to have a recent backup of the databases saved off the computer. If you are performing an upgrade and moving the backup file to another computer, you will be required to perform a Sql Restore from the backup file. First, launch the SQL Server Management Studio utility. You will be prompted to log in. Next, select SQL Server Authentication and type in SA for the login name and capital C, lowercase I, C, exclamation mark, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, that is capital C, lowercase I, C, exclamation mark, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, click Connect. Upon clicking Connect, click the plus sign to expand databases. All the databases that are attached should display. Next, right-click on the database you wish to back up. Next, click Tasks and then click Backup. On the right side, if there is already a path in the destination box, click Remove. Next, click Add. Upon clicking Add, select File Name and navigate to a temporary folder to store the backup file into. Once the folder is selected, type in a file name with the extension of .back. Next, click OK and then OK again. If all the settings look good, click OK on the bottom right and the backup will start. When the backup is complete, a message box will display that the backup was successful. Next, click OK to the message box. Next, click File Explorer. Navigate to the temporary folder you saved the backup in and verify it is in there. At this point, it is recommended to make a copy of the back file and move it off the computer. This concludes this video on performing a SQL database backup using the SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.